In this video I'm going to show you how to install the commander in the Tesla Model 3 Highland. So let's get started. In this car the commander is installed on the right side APR, no matter if you are with the left or right hand drive. So you need the pry tool and the cable that comes with the box. First you have to remove the rubber seal of the door, just like that. And then grab the pry tool and gently start pulling this plastic piece from here, like this. You can do like this, just to take it off easier. And it's done. Now with the pry tool you should remove this small pin right here, like that. And now we have to remove this piece. So you can start from the back, again with the pry tool. And pull it at the back of the car. Once you remove it, you can see the wiring harness. The cable of the commander goes into these two sockets. So once you plug it here, you will have additional socket right on our cable if you want to daisy chain different accessories. And afterwards, just put this one and you should be good to go. Then we need to plug the commander and make sure that the green light is blinking. So now let's bring back everything together. Just find some space here for the commander. Now let's put this piece right here again. Just push it forwards. And press it like this. Of course, don't forget the pin. Just like this. Now this piece goes at the front and then at the side. Something like this. Okay. Okay. And the last part is placing the rubber seal again where it's supposed to be. Okay. Alright, just like that. As you can see, the installation of the commander in this car takes less than 5 minutes. If you want to see how it's done for the other Tesla models, make sure to go to our YouTube channel where we have a dedicated playlist for all the installations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again.